It's your boy Zenith, and today we want to talk about the Roku app. Alright, so guys, I did a desktop version, so in case you want to log into your desktop and see how it works, I did a desktop version, and this is the mobile version today, the Android mobile version today. Alright, guys, so yeah, this is Roku app already. So I'm going to show you guys few things. So first of all, the first thing you want to do if you just got this app is to verify it. So after you just sign up, you need to verify your app. You need to do the email verification. So you're gonna see a pop-up somewhere at the top. Then you can easily click on it, and then verification code will be sent to your email and all of that. So, and after that, you might also want to verify who you are. So that's by putting your BVN. So you have to click on settings. You can see below the menu you have five options. The menu below, sorry, you have five options there, and you just have to click on settings. All right, so guys, yeah, settings. So now once you click on settings, you have to verify your BVN, which I love Roku for putting up this initiative. So you don't need to upload your ID card and upload your valid ID card. Most people don't have that valid ID card, so you just have to upload your BVN. Now BVN, you can't be scammed with BVN. I heard a lot of people saying, can I be scammed with my BVN? Oh, they asked me to put my BVN. I don't feel comfortable with that. Now it's easy, just put your BVN. Alright, BVN is just like your phone number. It's used to identify you. If I want to call you, I call your phone number, right? So that's just it. So nobody can do any malicious thing with your BVN. Alright, so and just like your address, okay, because this is how we identify who you are. So that's the same thing with BVN, bank verification number. All right, so I made a full video on what BVN is and how you can't be scammed, or can you be scammed with your BVN. I made everything all clear. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can watch that and learn. All right, so now back to Roku app. I just have to paste my BVN. As you guys can see, that's my BVN number. All right, so I just have to click on verify BVN. All right, so I'm sending this to them, and it's gonna take so now they now say verify successful, limit upgraded to 500,000 naira. So my limit I can do is up to 500,000 naira. All right, so if I want to increase that also, I can also come to verification and do increase my limit. So if I click on that, now I can now look at select document. I want to front and back of the document, all of that. So then I submit the document, like I want to post my maybe my national ID or my bank statement or something like that, whatever it is. So but that's not what we come here to do. So now you can see still on your settings, you can refer people. Are also, I'm going to copy this link and put the link on the description. So if you haven't downloaded your Roku app, you can also use my link, and with that you can inbox me. My WhatsApp number is going to be there. If you have issues, let me know. I can help you solve it if I can. If I can't, then I can for sure just refer it straight up to the local guys, and they can help you do that. All right, so now for security, for added security, if you want to change password or you want to connect device, you can also do that. And I'm going to do more details about this app, so I just want to look on how you guys interact with the video. So I don't care how many views I get. Maybe if I get maybe 100 views, that's fine, but maybe I get 100 views and maybe 80 likes, that would be wonderful from you guys. Then I know you guys really interact with the video. So if you like the video, make sure you like. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps this video and all of that. So now with account, back accounts, I can add back account right here. So I can select my bank I want to add right here. I can just select any bank right now, and I can add my name and add my account number. All right, so with this, and it's very important, so you should do this as soon as you just get the app. All right, so that's where you can withdraw your money into. So this is how they verify your BVN. So if your name in the BVN is Chima Adewale Musa, then your name right here should also be Chima Adewale Musa. But if it's different from what you are presenting on your BVN, then they know something malicious is about to happen. That's the reason why they need your BVN to identify who you say you are. Alright, so on profile, it's the same thing also. You can add your phone number and also your name on your profile right there. So now this is transaction. Now we're done with settings, right? So this is transaction. All your transaction, you can come and see what's going on. And I'm gonna skip this service for now. I'm not gonna come back to overview. All right, So now an overview. Now Roku did something I've not seen before, right? This is the first indigenous Nigerian wallet to actually add BTC, ETH, USDT, Ripple, EOS, and like this I can see the next Binance. Just looking at this alone, this is wonderful. I mean, if you guys, the Roku guys, if you guys are seeing this, you guys have done something great. But the only thing I don't like about Roku, as of this time I'm doing this video, this is somewhere around late November of 2020. Roku has issues with being very very fast. I don't know, maybe they're battling with scalability. I don't know what it's from their own side, but you guys are slow. If you're watching this, just know you guys are slow. A lot of people are complaining about how slow you guys are, and I used it in some occasions. Okay, you guys are slow, so I just have to say it politely and honestly the way it is. But this app is 100% awesome, like awesome. Now you can see this green button by um the bottom right corner. You can see right there. If you want to chat with them, if you have issues, you can click on it and create a ticket. So that's your phone number, and you can select one of all these if you have issues, and enter the message and submit. So like I said, you guys are slow. Please reply messages sent to your support team fast, please, please. All right guys, so now I just said something about this. If you click on Bitcoin, you can actually send and receive Bitcoin, which is normal like every other platform. And this is Ethereum, you can receive Ethereum, it's normal, you can copy blah 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 your wallet and all of that. And now this is the big deal. All right, you want to deposit, you want to buy and sell cryptocurrency, whatever crypto you want to use, and also you want to withdraw your cryptocurrency to your bank account, which you just added your bank account details on your referral, on sorry, on your settings, this part here. Okay, so now back to the overview. All right, so now if you want to deposit, this is how you deposit. Now let's say you want to deposit 10,000 there. So now Roku gives you a lot of options. That's the reason why I love Roku. They give you a lot of options. So if you're buying 10,000 naira worth of you're gonna buy 10,000, like you want to deposit 10,000 naira, sorry, and they're showing you what it is in dollar. That's about $20 15 and $20 18 cents, all right, with just 10,000 naira. So now if you want the fees to be added, you can click on this. Roku takes 2% of whatever amount you want to deposit, which I think is fair. So now if you click on this, which is 2%, it's going to be added 1,000 to sorry 10,200. Now if you go back, if you untick this toggle right here, now you just have 10,000 there. But if you tick it, now this is what you have. So now we want to deposit 10,200, so I click on deposit. Now I want to proceed to deposit. So now they're showing me the processing fee, which is 0, and the amount I want to deposit. So it is completely free to deposit so any amount. So Roku, blah 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 blah, and click on process. Now I can click on debit card. Alright, so but now most Nigerians are having debit card issues. If you're having debit card issues, maybe if you're getting a new card, you're gonna have issues. So but a great chunk of Nigerians are having problems with debit card issues. You can deposit somewhere around you can deposit above $100 a month, which is one hell of a stupid regulation from CBN, which I think is gonna do a lot of limits. So, but if I'm okay with depositing with card, I can put my card details here, and boom, money goes into my account. So, but now I want to deposit with bank transfer. I want to show you guys how it does. So right now, you can see it says Roku. This is my name right here, and Roku already has an account registered in my name in Providus Bank. So what I just have to do here is pay into this my account in my name. So the name account name says Roku Chibuzo. All right, yeah, that's my name. All right, guys. So now I just have to go into my normal mobile bank account or copy these details. Just have to copy this number right here, and you can see account number has been copied to clipboard. So I just have to go to my back app or maybe my USSD code and send money to this account number with the name Providus Bank with account name Roku Chibuzo. So you confirm that, yeah, that's it, and you just have to do it. So now you can see recommended above this part. All right, it says recommended. That means it's better use Roku. You better use Providus Bank rather than Wema Bank. But if Providence Bank is having issues or not available, then you can use my bank. So that's like a backup, which I think is nice. And then once you have done that, you just have to click on return to wallet, and in less than few seconds your money will be deposited right here on the, you can see my balance is 0 at the moment. So now once I have money, I can now buy whatever I want to buy. So am I buying Bitcoin? Am I buying instant, or I want to buy instant or sell instant? So but I want to buy because I have money right now and I want to buy. Alright, so I can buy USDT, I can buy BTC, I can, okay, let's say I want to buy USDT, type in the amount, I want to buy 10,000 worth of USDT, I click with payment, and now because I don't have sufficient fund, I'm going to get 19,700 and blah blah blah. For that, service charge is 200 naira, same 2%. If you want to same 2% to purchase USDT. So I go back because I don't want to buy USDT, I don't have money for you. So now if I want to withdraw, same thing applies to, if I want to withdraw, maybe I want to pay, I want to use my withdrawal funds, or I have funds right here to pay for subscription. If it's DSTV, GoTV, or Star Times, I can select that. If it's electric bill, is it Echo Electricity, is it Ikeja or Port Harcourt Electricity? So it's funny because Echo and Ikeja is in Lagos and Port Harcourt. So if you're in any other part of Nigeria, you can pay electricity bill with this one, alright? So you can also do recharge cards, and you can also withdraw direct to that bank account. Remember the bank account we set up when we're starting this video, right? So you can also do that. And yeah, I don't want to make the video too much stress for you. Just want you guys to understand it. And this is your wallet. You see whatever happens right here on your wallet. And now remember, guys, as you can see the amount you have, blah blah blah, your total receipt, your balance, and all of that. So mine is all 0 because I'm a poor man at this moment. I don't have any money inside my Roku bank account. So now I talked about saving, okay? So you guys should look at saving. So Roku is offering you guys, you can save funds with them. You just have to lock up your funds for maybe 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months, depends on how long you want to lock up those funds with them. So if you are interested, you click on get started. Now on the first month, you can say I can click blah blah blah. So but on the first month, you get 0.8% of whatever transaction you're doing. So on, if you want to lock your funds for 3 months, then you can get 3% of whatever amount you are locking up, which is fair. It's better than put your money in the traditional bank, where your funds will cut off at the end of the month. So you can do 6 months, you can do 1 year, and 1 year you gain around 15% per annum, which I think is very very small, because compared to what I trade, if you want to see how I trade and make money on Binance, it's quite easy. It has lower risks, like 95% risk free and 95% risk, and with that 5%, if you wait for some time, you're going to recover it and you're going to make money. That's how it is. If you want to learn how that works, you can also hit me up. My WhatsApp number is in the link in the description. It's on a link in the description. Yeah, that's right. All right, guys. So, and if you're cool with this, you can just proceed and go on with the payment method. And this is what all the details need. It's very important to read the terms and conditions. Very important to do so. And if you understand everything and you're okay with it, then you can click on complete. But right now I have USDT, I don't have any funds. So, but if you want to do this stuff, you have to make sure you convert maybe your Bitcoin, your Ethereum to USDT. Very important. All right, guys. So yeah, if there's anything I've not said in this video, I think I've covered everything. And if you want to watch the desktop version, you can watch the desktop version also. The link is going to be in the description. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell button, so whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to see. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Love you all.